Hi, this is Brother Barnes again. Let's talk about getting the link to deploy to students so that they can go into bookings and make an advising appointment. I do suggest that you get Outlook 365 on your cell phone. Down at the bottom there will be an email icon and then a calendar icon, and then the calendar icon, if you click on that, will pop up your schedule for the day as scheduled by bookings. So that is a very convenient thing. Let's talk about, though, how to get to the deployable URL. If you go to the top left where the dots are located and click on bookings, and then go down a little bit further and click on services, then find your school. I'm General College DeSoto, so I would click on this one to find the URL for my school. Your mileage may vary. Click on the appropriate link. And here is the link to copy, to deploy to students. So this can be copied, copy it through the app, and then this can be deployed to the students so that they can make a schedule with you. From bookings, to go back to your webmail, just click on the dots again and click Outlook, and that'll take you right back to your webmail. Bueno, bueno, bueno. Good job. Keep up the good work.